This is ASCE SRLV containing 5 billion exosomes manufactured by EvoCyte. I will now demonstrate to you how to mix the vials. Of course, this product is cold chain, so we keep it in the fridge until we are about to reconstitute the product, and we should do this prior to treating the patient. So it comprises of ASCE vial 1 and ASCE vial 2. As you can see, what I need to do, this has very high concentration of hyaluronic acid. So I will uncap it. Everything is sterile, and I will take my 5 mils draw-up syringe with the draw-up needle, 18 gauge, and I will draw this up, the high viscosity etching. I will draw all of it up, so we roughly have 5 mils of product. And then afterwards, I will reconstitute it into the other vial. So this is a vacuum packed. This is why it looks like this. So what I need to do is uncap the lid. Okay, and then using a sterile technique to gently apply my product into it. So this is vacuum packed, as you can see. That's why it's being drawn up automatically, and what I can do is afterwards mix it. So to mix the powder with the diluent, I'm going to do either this technique of gently rolling it in my hands or this way. And the product, if you leave it to stand after 2-3 minutes, it will be completely dissolved. You need to wait until the powder has completely dissolved and you have a clear fluid to use for your treatment. So once it's reconstituted, then what I can do is to draw it up again. At this point in time, of course, the exosome products are licensed for topical application. So I'm going to prepare my patient, cleanse their face. I will apply the product onto the surface of onto the face and microneedle it in. So once I have reconstituted the product, I will then apply it onto the face of the patient. So you can use a fan-like brush to apply onto the surface of onto the face. You will see it's quite high in its viscosity. Okay, and then what you can do, you brush it on, because so that it will be absorbed in the channels that we have just created by the microneedling or microneedling RF. And once we have done that, then what is really good to improve the absorption of the HA and the exosome into the skin, we will apply this ASCE exosome base mask, which has been designed to be used immediately after microneedling or some laser treatment, and we will apply it onto the face and place the patient under the LED light. So this is my mask, and we can apply it onto the patient's face. It is infused in products that are soothing and calming to be used immediately after, for example, fractional ablative lasers or microneedling RF. And then I would place the patient under LED light.